Hello, my friends. I am Pablo Stanley, and I welcome you to this segment called Pabs Snacks. It's just going to be sessions in which I share my thoughts on creativity, productivity, news, tips, and just crap that is in this gigantic head. Hopefully, you find what I have to say useful. So, today I'm going to be talking about tools, which is kind of a big topic in the design community in an obvious way. Why? Because we use it all the time to create stuff. And I always keep getting questions like, what is your favorite tool? What do you use for prototyping? What about your favorite plugin? Basically, what people ask is, which tool is the best one? Which is the one that I should use? I don't want to waste my time using something that I shouldn't. Which tool should I learn? And I'm the worst at answering this because usually I just say, learn them all. Try them all. See which one fits your needs. And I get asked, but which one will solve my problems? I don't know. What are you trying to do? So why is that my answer? Because no tool solves everything. You have to use the right tool for the right problem. So try as many as you can until you find the one that fits you. And sometimes it's good that you learn multiple tools because you want to combine them. And also, if you are a designer, don't limit yourself to just design tools. You also want to learn development tools or 3D modeling tools. The idea is that if you combine techniques, this will spark creativity. So here's the thing. Tools are there to improve your craft. And tools that feel familiar will make you faster. They will make you more efficient. But new tools will offer new possibilities. If you only use one tool, then your work will be shaped purely by what it can let you do. It will limit you on what's available with that technology. So I invite you to try and experiment with a broad range of methods and tools and stuff. Later, with time and practice, you will find the ones that really fit your needs, the ones that feel good in your hands. So maybe your set of tools will actually be reduced. And later, when you master a device, then it almost kind of like becomes an extension of you. It almost like represents your work. But don't make the tools your design. Don't be trapped by them. Tools are there to empower you, not to dictate your work. So you have to push the limits of what you can do. So your craft is not in the tools you own, but in the creativity that guides them. So that's it for today. I hope you like this. Let me know what you think in the comments. And I am Pablo Stanley, and this was Pabs Snacks. Thank you. Bye-bye.